Hello everyone. From today we are doing our new exercises. So our first exercise is different toe taps. So I first I'll show you in a slow speed, then I'll give you your regular speed. Then you have to first stand like this for 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, again 1, 2, and 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Basically in this you have to use all the 3 sides of the leg like this. 1, 2, and again back side of the 3. Now I'll show you in a regular speed. Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Understood? Now I'll show you a final demo. Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Basically, this exercise you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. Thank you. Now we will do fast drag backs. Basically, you have to perform this exercise fast. First, I'll show you in a slow speed, then perform in a regular speed. First, you have to touch right, then drag back with the right, again drag back with the left, again drag back with the right, again drag back with the left, again drag back with the right, and again drag back with the left. Now you have to perform this in a fast. So I'll show you in a fast speed. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, you understood? Basically, while after performing this exercise, you feel everything is moving around your head. This will happen because of you are moving and changing your direction fast. So after the first repetition, you have to walk for 40 seconds normally, like a walk like this. You have to walk for 40 seconds. So under 8 boys, means under 10 boys, you have to perform this exercise for 10 seconds only, and minimum 5 repetition. And about 10 boys, you have to perform this exercise for 15 seconds. Thank you. And 15 seconds and 5 repetitions. Thank you. Hello. Now we will do the next exercise, behind the leg cut. So this is very simple exercise. You have to do the cut the ball from your behind, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Understand? First, I'll show you how to do it. If you have difficulty to perform this exercise, first you have to touch, then go in front of your ball and behind the touch behind the leg. Again, in front of the ball, in front of the ball and cut, 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 in front of the ball and cut. So you have to perform this exercise with the both legs. First, when you go forward, use your right, and when you change your direction and go to the other side, you will use your left, like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so basically you have to use your inner part of your both legs. So when you change your direction, you have to change your direction with the inner part of your right leg or left leg. So basically this exercise you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now we will do our next exercise. Make a square. For this you have to need one marker. Then I'll show you in a slow speed, then show you in a regular speed. First you have to take your ball to your left foot. Then this is the first step, left foot, inner part of your left foot. Then second step is inner part of your right foot. Then you have to roll. Third step is you have to roll from right to left. Then fourth step is you have to drag back behind. This is the fourth step, and again repeat again to do it same. Inner, roll, drag back, inner, roll, drag back, inner, roll, drag back, inner, roll, drag back. You understand? Now I'll show you in a regular speed. Now do it with the left leg. Same. First start with the right inner part, then again left inner part. Roll with the left to right, then drag back with the right. Again do it same. I'll show you. Basically, this exercise you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. Thank you. Now our next exercise is outer part wall passes. So in this exercise you have to use your outer part of the both legs. So similarly you have to stand 1 foot away from the wall. Then you have to stand on one leg and use your outer part. So basically the outer part is this is the outer part, main part of for the passes. You have to stand on one leg and passes. And you have to count 100 passes for the left leg. Stand on the right leg. Understood? So you have to perform 100 passes. So 100 passes is a one set. So you have to make 5 sets of the both legs. So you will do it 500 passes with the right and 500 passes with the left. Thank you. Hello. Now we will do our next exercise, in-step wall passing. For this you have to stand in front of empty wall, then make a 1 foot approximately distance, like one leg distance, and then you have to keep the ball away from the one wall from the 1 foot, and you have to pass the ball with the inner part. So basically inner part is the middle part of your inner foot. I will show you. This is the inner part of the inner foot. So you have to use that inner part to pass the ball to the wall continuously. So like this, 1 foot away from the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So basically you have to concentrate and use only inner part of your foot. So use both the legs. Now change the leg, use your left foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, like this. So you have to perform this exercise 5 times, 5 repetition. One set is 100 passes. So when you complete your 100 passes, this is that is a one set. So you have to make 5 set of both the legs. So you will do 500 passes with the right and 500 passes with the left leg. Thank you. Then our last exercise is lace part wall passes. So in this you have to use your lace part. It is similar like inner and outer part wall passes. You have to stand away from the wall for 1 feet and then use your lace part. So basically the lace part is your this is your lace part. Now start. Make 100 passes. Then change your leg. So you have to perform 5 sets of both legs. So you have to perform 500 passes with the right and 500 passes with the left. Thank you.